Hello from FIX Sevt AUTO. In this video clip I'm going to show how to replace the brake caliper for second Touran. First we check that the disc is seized into the caliper. That's why we release the bleed plug. It will leak the brake fluid. If doesn't move, the brake disc doesn't move into the caliper, that means the problem is into the caliper. That means we have to check. In that case, we are changing the caliper. You can try as well with repair caliper repair kit. If that helps, yeah, good. But we're gonna change it. If when we release the plug of the bleed plug of the caliper and brake fluid is going out and the disc start moving, that means the caliper release the disc. That means the problem is not in the caliper. The problem is before that. The most likely is in the brake hose. You can change it, and in most cases the problem gone. Yeah, now we're taking out the two bolts and the brake hose as well on this side. And this bracket, see the bracket in front? I'll take it out and the disc is coming out. We use, yeah, it's coming out that one. Then we take out the brake caliper. We use the bar, take it out because it's seized into the disc together. What is coming out? Then we replace this car. We replace the brake pads as well. Put the new brake pads and new caliper. And in the back way, the same way we put the We put the two bolts, the brake hose, the bracket is in front, then we have made the bleeding of the brake system, check whether the disc is moving into the brake caliper. If everything is alright, that means the diagnostic is alright. Thank you very much, thank you for watching.